Final minutes of trade. REC and PFC are surging in trade. REC is now up a full 8% or so. And I mean, why not? Numbers seem to be very, very strong. Ritu is here with key takeaways from the numbers and, of course, the analyst meet highlights as well. Ritu, take it away.
Well, Prashant, it was a strong show by REC in the second quarter, and what's got the street even more excited is the strong guidance which has now been given by the company, because, you know, for the first time in more than 2 years, REC posted an improvement in margins and spreads and the best asset quality that we've seen from the lender in 23 quarters. The management now says it's going to be able to reach its targeted 10 lakh crore assets under management target 2 years ahead of the guided period by 2028 itself. It also expects the margins to be steady at around 3.5% and is also hopeful of resolving the remaining 10 large stressed assets over a period of the next 2 years. It does expect the cost of funds to rise slightly in the coming few months, as we've been seeing across the industry, but they don't see that as any major concern. More specifically on the business front, now REC expects the non-power infrastructure business to be 30% of their AUM by 2030. They expect the contribution of loans to the private sector, which is currently at just 10% with 90% dominated by the public sector, that mix to change by 2030 with 30% coming in from the private sector. Now, all of this essentially indicates more diversification from the company. It has also started financing projects in renewables and green energy, solar projects, and signed MOUs of 2.8 lakh crores, which is already in the pipeline with 25 to 26 entities. It expects that renewable energy AUM to reach 3 lakh crores and infrastructure to be 25% of the book by 2030. So strong guidance, steady on the margin and more diversification in the portfolio mix. This strong commentary has got the street excited.
All right, strong commentary's got the street excited. REC and PFC, both of them moving higher, usually move in tandem. A bunch of other stocks which are